In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a pattern to any t-shirt using Adobe Photoshop. Adding a pattern to a t-shirt can give it a unique and personalized touch, make it stand out from the rest. So let's get started. Open your t-shirt image in Adobe Photoshop. First you find the pattern you want to add. You can download or you can make your own. So just select the entire image, copy and paste it onto the t-shirt, and it will appear as a new layer on the top of the t-shirt. And now right click on it and create clipping mask. Now change its blending mode to multiply. Double click on the layer. Now this time around you play with blend if mode. Now by holding Alt key, click on the handle. It will be split into two separate pieces and move it to the darkest side of the layer around 1 to 20. Then click OK, and there you have it. It looks like it's a part of the t-shirt. We hope you We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great design tips and tricks. Have a good day.